Hello and welcome to today's Heimdall product overview. In today's training, we are going to learn about application control. Application control is a module created to control which processes or applications can be executed on client machines and how they are executed. You can define a set of rules that describe what processes are allowed or blocked on your endpoints using details like software name, paths, publisher, MD5, signature, or wildcard paths. Application control can handle how a process or a child process should run. If we go in the Heimdall dashboard, we can see the application control view displaying a table with all intercepted processes. You get information about the process name, the number of executions, the publisher, the software name, the group policy, the version, the MD5, and the status. The processes can be filtered using the All Intercepted Applications filter or the Matching Allow rules, the Matching Block rules, the Matching Allow by Default rules, and the Matching Block by Default. You can also click the number of executions and get information on the host names, the user names, the version of the process, the intercepted time, the group policy, and the status. Once the user selects the process, he can choose to block it or to allow it. He can also choose whether to remove it from a block list or to remove it from an allowed list. Hitting the Allow or Block button will pop up a modal that enables the user to select whether to apply this rule globally or to a custom group policy. You can specify a custom group policy from the drop-down field. Configuring a rule set is easy because the subject and the rule type fields are automatically filled in. The user can choose whether to allow or block a process using the following rule types: software name, path, MD5, publisher, signature, or wildcard path. In the priority field, you can establish a priority. Rules are processed based on priority numbers. The higher the number is, the higher the priority is. Leaving gaps between each rule is recommended. This helps you have an easy and neat rule organization without having to edit existing rules. Priority ranges between 0 and 1000. Allow auto elevation is available only for the allowed processes, and it basically allows the process to automatically get elevated by the Thor admin privilege module. It works together with the Thor admin privilege module. The include spawns tick box allows the spawns of other child processes from the parent process. After configuring a rule, you can press the yes button. The rule was successfully added. Now to check the application control settings, you have to scroll up, click the settings section, select the group policy that you want to update, click on the Thor admin privilege tab and select application control. Here in the settings section, you can configure the way application control works. The enable application control feature enables or disables the module. Allow privilege access management to bypass the rule set allows the user to execute any process that is matched by a rule defined in the application control rules under an administrator session elevation or run with admin privilege elevation. The Enable Full Login Mode option intercepts and displays all processes on endpoints assigned to this group policy. All intercepted processes will be displayed in the application control view. The Always Allow Executions of System Applications will enable the user to allow the execution of system files, which are regularly the Windows processes. For the rule set mode, the user has the possibility of setting the way the application control rules work. You can enable the rule set, you can disable the rule set, or you can enable reporting only, which displays the intercepted processes matched by the application control rules, but does not apply the action type specified in the rules. For the default file action, the user is enabled to allow or to block the processes that are not matched by the application control rules. For the application control rules, you can manually add a new rule to the application control rules by specifying the rule value, the rule type, the priority, and the action. For all the rules that have the allow action type, you can enable allow auto elevation, which again is the way to allow the process to automatically get elevated by admin privilege. And you also have the possibility of enabling spawns, which means that the process is allowed to spawn other child processes. All added rules are listed in the application control rules table. They can be later edited or deleted from the action column. Once you are done adding, deleting, or editing a rule, don't forget to update the group policy by pressing the Update Policy button. That's it for today's training. I'll see you in the next one.